Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. I spent much of this morning trying to put together a lesson about the royal family and about monarchy more generally for a forthcoming Lexical Lab class. And as part of my lesson planning, I spent a little bit of time looking at some stats showing how popular the royal family currently is here in the UK. I was rather taken aback to find that only 3 in 10 Britons think the monarchy is very important. And among 18 to 34-year-olds, that number drops to just 12%, which should be rather worrying for the royal family, I'd imagine. Because, in short, support for the royals is very much on the wane. If you say that something is on the wane, you mean it's becoming less strong, less popular, less powerful. So maybe your career is on the wane. You've peaked already, the best years of your career are behind you, and it's now a long, slow slide downhill. Sometimes you might hear government people or police officers claiming that crime is on the wane. It's going down. Maybe someone's popularity, a celebrity or a politician or a member of the royal family, maybe their popularity is on the wane. They're not as popular as they used to be. I read yesterday in the news that Argentina's appetite for beef is apparently on the wane. Argentina is, of course, famous for its beef and has always been a very kind of carnivorous society. So that was quite an interesting headline. Another news story I read yesterday said that demand for office space in the city centres post-lockdown, post-COVID, is on the wane. And apparently, not entirely surprisingly, I guess, customers' trust in banks is also on the wane. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use on the wane.